Presenting the OPPO A11K. The phone comes in color options of deep blue, flowing silver and blue. The phone has display of 15.79 cm, 6.2 inch, and HD plus waterdrop screen display. 1520 by 720 pixels resolution and 270p pixel density. It has 13+2MP dual rear camera and HDR. It has 5MP front camera. It has bokeh, dazzle color mode and 16mm color support. It comes with 4230 mAh lithium polymer battery, talk time of 45 hours and standby time of 450 hours. It has 2GB RAM, 32GB internal memory and expandable memory up to 256GB. It supports dual SIM, nano plus nano, and dual standby, 4G plus 4G. It runs on ColorOS 6.1 based on Android v9.0 operating system. It is powered by 2.3 GHz MediaTek Helio P35 octa-core processor and GPU IMG GE8320. It also features dual SIM, GPS and FM radio, video player and music player. The delivery box contains handset, USB cable and adapter, SIM tray ejector, protective case and booklet with warranty card and quick guide. Product comes with standard brand warranty. For further information visit the product detail page.